Hello everybody, this is S.Shanmugavalli from KCS Kasaragod College of Arts and Science. Today in this video we are going to see about how to send email in ASP.NET. In this video we will see how a simple email message is sent, its properties, how to send attachments and how to send HTML formatted email messages. Sending a simple email message. To send email in your ASP.NET code, you need to reference the code system.web.mail.namespace. To do that, you need to include an import directive that uses the library at the top of the ASP.NET page. Import namespace equal to system.web.mail. Then within the procedure where you want to send out email, you need to instantiate an SMTP mail object. Dim my SMTP as new SMTP mail. This object provides access to the SMTP server that you are sending the email through. You also need to instantiate a mail message object. Dim my mail message as new mail message. So this object contains the contents of the email message you wish to send. Using the object, you set whom the message is from. My mail message dot from equal to from address. You can set the whom the message to be delivered using the property to. My mail message dot to equal to you can mention the address to whom it has to be delivered. You can also give your email message subject. So my mail message dot subject equal to the required subject can be given. And you set the text of the message through the body property. So my mail message dot body equal to the text of the email message you will mention here. So at the last you need to call the send method of the SMTP mail object to send the email you just created by passing that email message to the method as the parameter. My SMTP dot send my mail message. Your message is then sent through your SMTP server to the recipient. SMTP mail and mail message classes. The SMTP mail class provides access to an SMTP server so that email can be sent. By default, the email message is sent through the SMTP server that is installed on the same computer that the code is running on. But you can set the SMTP server property of the SMTP mail class so that a different SMTP server is used. My SMTP server equal to server name. The SMTP mail class has a send method that you can use to send an email message. My SMTP.send my mail message. But you can also use the send method to directly send an email message by passing it whom the message is from, whom the message is to, in the subject of the message and the text of the message. My SMTP dot send, so from, to, subject and body of the message to be mentioned. Mail message class also has a few other properties that we can use it in our coding. So one of those is the CC property. My mail message dot CC equal to youtube@a.com. So the email address included in this property will also receive the email message but appears in the carbon copy email field instead of the to field. We also have one more property, blind carbon copy BCC property. So the recipient listed in this property could receive a copy of the email message, but the person listed in the to property could not know that they received the message. This is the purpose of using BCC property. You can also set the importance of the priority of the email message through the priority property. So here we have examples for setting higher priority, normal priority and low priority messages. Attaching a file. So the mail message class also includes a collection called attachment. So this collection provides a way for you to add files that you want attached to the email message. To do that, you need to declare a mail attachment object. Dim my attachment as mail attachment. Then you instantiate that object and pass through the instantiation the name of the file that you wish to attach. So my attachment equal to new mail attachment. So you give the path of the file which you want to attach. Then you add the attachment to the email message through the add method of the attachment collection of the mail message object. So my mail message dot attachments dot add my attachment. So now you can send the email message. The file attached through the attachment collection will be sent as a part of the email message. Sending an HTML email message. To send out an email message that is HTML based, you have to set the body format property to the HTML enumeration of the mail format object. So the first thing you need to do is to set the body format property. So my mail message dot body format equal to mail format dot HTML. So now the text you include in the body property can include basic HTML tags or an entire web page. My mail message dot body equal to, so here we have included a B tag within the body of the message. Suppose you want to include graphics in the body of the HTML email message, then my mail message dot body equal to, we have included the image using the image tag. So thus we can include HTML formatted message in our email. Thank you for watching this video.